What's up, guys? Welcome to this week's episode of Merricks Garage. I'm giving an update on the Squarebody Suburban. A lot of you have been reaching out and asking me what's going on with the Squarebody Suburban. When am I going to be working on it? What am I going to be doing? Why haven't I started? And I feel you guys. It's killing me not to be working on it. But here's the harsh reality. This is where I have to work. There is not a ton of space. I maximize it to the best of my abilities, but fitting the Suburban in the driveway, it's not happening. It's super, super, super tight. I have some big plans for this guy, but until I sort out my space issue, either rent a place somewhere or find someone who's got a little ranch property they can let me drag it onto, or partner with a shop or something in the area, I'm kind of in limbo. But I have a game plan. I'm going to fill you guys in today because I need some help from you. The last time I did a video on the Squarebody Suburban, it was seeking your guys' input into power plant options. I've landed on what I want to do. I want to run a 6BT Cummins P pump up front. I love the simplicity of that engine. I love how mechanical it is, how there's no electrical to it, and it's a work of art, in my opinion. And the fact that you can uncork that thing and have it working remarkably well and getting great gas mileage is just a plus. Behind the 6BT, I'm going to be putting in an NV 4500. I love manual transmissions. My daily driver is a manual, and they're just fun to drive. And being able to really connect with the motor through that stick shift is something I am looking forward to experiencing with a big diesel monster under the hood. For axles, I'm sticking with the Dana up front. Except this time, I am breaking ranks and I'm heading over to the dark side. I'm going to be putting a Ford high pinion Dana 60 Super Duty with radius arms that I may or may not convert to links up front on either an AAM, a Sterling, or a full 14 bolt full floater Outback. So just burly all the way around. And then probably a 205 for the transfer case. I don't anticipate this guy seeing a ton of hardcore crawling. So the higher ratio in the 205 should probably be fine for me. So that's what I have planned. It's going to be all focused on the running gear, on the axles, on the transmission. And I think I'm just going to throw a wrap on top of it. So that's got you guys caught up. You know what my plans are. Here's where I need your help. I never thought in my wildest dreams when I started this channel 6 years ago that I would be putting together another Squarebody with a diesel engine in it. I thank you guys for the platform that you've helped me build and for the voice that I've got through you guys and your support. This is where you guys come in. I need you guys to comment down below. I need you to like this video, to share this video. I need help building this because, quite honestly, I don't have the funds to do it the way I would like to do it, and that's not going to be changing anytime soon. I'm not looking for a handout. I'm not looking for you guys to subscribe to my channel with a monthly fee. All I'm looking for is your support and your voices. The more people we have behind this build, the more attention I can get from the industry, and the cooler we can make this. I know you guys will rally. I've got an awesome group of subscribers. And seriously, thank you guys. I thank you for this opportunity. I thank you for you guys tuning in every week. It makes my week. Anyway, that's enough motions. We'll see you soon. Merricks Garage.